we're getting pretty slack. Heat up another pot to the boil. This is shower bags, already had one pot of boiling water in there. It's nice. Park services leave 2 full sealed containers of water. Those aren't mine, just in case someone needs them. I assume it's park services. I've got my shower bag holder-upper, my shampoo. I really need to clean my hair, it's disgusting. Some soap. I've opened up this window so get a bit more light. It's fairly sealed, so it's not too bad, but when you get big gusts of wind, big gusts of wind, then it does get a little dusty. But overall, pretty damn good. And so I'm going to have my shower down there. I hope they don't mind. It's not like this is watertight, and the water will just wash the dust away and seep out the side. No worse than being covered in snow, I'd say. And that'll be my shower in a few minutes.